What's up, you guys? So today I'm going to show you my current lash routine, and it's crazy because everything I'm using is under, I want to say, like 20 bucks. So I typically get lash extensions, but as of recently your girl's been trying to save, but I'm doing my own lash extensions using Amazon lashes. So the ones that I'm using today, I'm going to link them down below, but they're the anime style lashes, so they're a little different on how I typically do them. If you guys want to see my other videos, I have a lot of tutorials as to how we can get different styles, but this is just what I'm feeling at the moment. So I use, again, these lashes. It looks so dirty because I literally, you guys, just use these until the fucking wheels fall off, but those are the lashes I use. The glue, I'm using my tried and true colorless glue. I use two glues, so I use this and I apply that on my actual lashes, and I use this Lilac Street one, and I use that to apply them on the actual individual lashes as well. I have this Lashify glass here so that the glue doesn't stick on my bottom lash line, but that's pretty much it. For application, if you've seen my videos, you probably know I use these tweezers. They're kind of risky because they are sharp, so I highly recommend if you're a beginner to use something like this, you know? But personally, this is just always what I've used. And then to fuse them together, I used to use my fingers, but now I use these tweezers, and they're from Urban Doll. I had them in a kit, and I just use these tweezers now to fuse them. So if you want to see the rest of the tutorial, then just keep on watching.
Alright, you guys, so for the first thing, I just grab a few products that I use to prep and cleanse my lashes. This is just a makeup remover and Lashify pre-cleanse. If you have any leftover residue from any eye makeup, I just use this to remove whatever's on my eyes. Then the next thing, I'm grabbing my colorless glue, and I'm just going to apply a little bit on the root of my lashes. Then I'm going in with my Lashify glass on the bottom of my lash line, just so that the top lashes won't adhere to my bottom lashes. Next, I'm grabbing my fine tweezers, and I'm going to be starting from the out to the inner of the lash application. With a light hand, I'm just adhering each piece onto my actual lashes. I'm so sorry, you guys, I'm out of frame for these clips. I'm going to do better next time, but essentially I'm just applying each piece on my lash line. And now with my bigger tweezers, I'm going to use these to fuse my real lashes with the fake lashes. And because this is like a thicker tweezer, the surface area should make for great adhesion. And now we repeat on the other side.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching that video. Favorite method of lashes are professionally done lash extensions, just because you could expect to have those on for real a good 2 to 3 weeks, and I'd be lying if I said that these lasted 2 to 3 weeks. I feel like a lot of people say theirs lasts for a week without reapplying, bitch, but I don't know if it's because I'm a Cancer rising and I'd be crying so much that they fall off the next day. But yeah, I typically have to reapply these, but for the time being, if you're in between sets, or if you're just really a broke bitch on a budget, this is the way to go. So I hope you guys learned something, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye, and God bless.